BrightBYTES!
Hey, champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where we make big ideas easy and fun! Last time, we cracked variables and input. Today, let's talk about lists and loops in Python.
First up, what's a list?
A list is like a basket or a shelf where you can keep many things together. Numbers, words, or even a mix of both. Instead of making a new box for every single item, you just toss them all into one neat basket. That way, your program can retrieve them whenever it needs to.
Now, what's a loop?
A loop is like a magic repeat button for your code. Instead of typing the same thing again and again, you tell the computer once, and it keeps going until the job is done. Just like clapping to the beat of a song or brushing your teeth step by step every day.
Why do we need lists and loops?
Because they make coding faster and smarter. A list organizes information in one place, and a loop helps you go through it without wasting time. Without them, you would have to keep writing the same thing over and over, which is no fun at all.
So, where do we use them?
In games, a list holds your tools and treasures. In apps, it remembers everything you add to your cart. In music players, loops keep your favorite songs playing again and again. They pop up anywhere you need to store and reuse things.
When do we use them?
We use lists whenever we need to keep track of a bunch of items together, like groceries, homework tasks, or the scores of every player in a match. We use loops whenever a job has to be repeated, like checking every student's name, adding up all the scores, or showing each picture in a slideshow. And when you combine them, you get a coding superpower. Store everything in one place, then let the loop handle it, one by one, lightning fast.
And who uses lists and loops?
Students use them for projects, developers use them to build apps and games, and scientists use them to test ideas and study data. And the best part, you can use them too, starting right now.
That's it for today. Next time, we will explore functions and see how they power up your code. Before we wrap up, comment below with what you would put in your first list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you are always ready for the next adventure. Bye-bye!